Hey guys, I know a lot of you watch my channel because you've got the itch and you're looking to make your next knife purchase, which I totally get because I'm also a knife guy. So I invite you to open the description of the video you're watching right now and click here on my Amazon store where I've compiled some of my very favorites. As you can see, my most recommended knives and my favorite budget knives are right at the top, but there's also categories like knife maintenance, pocket clips, knife storage and display, and then a whole bunch of knives by popular brands. There's something down here for everybody, so make sure you take a look. Thanks. What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I'm going to be drawing the name of a winner for my live stream record-breaking giveaway. Basically, a little over a week ago, I had a live stream and we broke the record for the amount of people that were there. I think my old record was like 110 and there was like 128 people in there. And I kept saying during the live stream, if we break the record, I'll do a giveaway. Because I have this knife that is a great knife and it's just sadly not being used, so I needed an opportunity to do a giveaway anyway. So everybody who commented on that video, you have exactly one chance to win. We are using Comment Picker today. As you can see here, I've actually entered the URL for the video. You can check that if you'd like to make sure that I'm telling the truth, that that's actually the video. In a moment here, we're gonna click Get YouTube Comments. It'll filter out all duplicate comments, making it very fair for everybody who entered. And then I'm gonna draw one name. The winner is going to be receiving the ESEE Izula fixed blade, which I've already wrapped. You're welcome to just take my wrap off if you don't like it. You're also gonna be receiving the sheath, which is right here. Everything is in perfect shape other than that one teeny tiny little scratch right there. And then I believe I've got the box and everything too. I'll check. In any case, you'll be receiving at least the knife. You're also going to receive my Metal Visage helmet sticker and my Metal Complex logo sticker. Two stickers that are generally exclusive to my Patreon supporters, but you'll be receiving those. Real quick here, while I have an opportunity to talk about this, I noticed in my analytics, a lot of people don't have these turned on. So here's what my channel looks like. If you're subscribed, well, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you are subscribed, click that bell right there and make sure that it's set to all. If it's set to personalized or none, you won't receive notifications for when I upload a video. Why would you want to do that? Because if you're watching this video right now and you're like, I didn't know about the giveaway and I'm subscribed, it means that you probably don't have your notifications set to all. I actually have a lot of people tell me, I didn't get a notification for your video, and some of it, I don't know, but a lot of it has to do with whether or not your notifications are set to all on the channel. So again, make sure you check that bell, make sure that it's set to all, and then you'll get all the notifications for my channel and you won't miss a giveaway. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and click this right here, see how many unique comments we had on that video. Thinking. Amount of unique commenters, we had 274. Before I choose a winner, let me remind everybody, in order to actually claim the prize, you must, number one, be at least 18 years of age. You have to be, no way around it, you gotta be at least 18. Number two, you have to be able to provide a shipping address within the continental United States. I apply insurance to the packages that I ship out, even standard priority, which is gonna cover the cost of this knife on its own, but it only works if the recipient is inside the United States. If you're outside the United States, the insurance doesn't count. So if it gets lost, there's no way to recover the knife or the costs associated with it. That's my worst fear. So you don't necessarily have to live in the United States to claim the prize. You just have to be able to provide a shipping address. So a friend, a family member, or somebody from the knife community that you really trust, of course, talk it out with them first, make sure they know the item's coming. I can ship it to them, and then it can be their responsibility to get it to you. So the winner can contact me at metalcomplex87@gmail.com, which I actually have a card here that will show you, and I should have had that out before the video started, so I'm sorry about that. Let me see if I can actually find it. In any case, oh, here it is. metalcomplex87@gmail.com. Do not message me unless you actually won. I do have a way of telling if you are actually the person you won, so don't be that person. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and see who won here, guys. Are you ready? Let's click start. Here we go. Who won the knife? It's gonna be Limpei. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. I asked my viewers to comment, and I can't remember if it was like which one got you to subscribe. I can't remember. But their answer was, it was the XM18. Always wanted one, but like you said in your recent video, It gets old after a few flips, and the jimping in the back of the flipper tab is a deal breaker. Yeah, I mean, I can totally, understand why people feel that way, Fortunately, though, this knife does not have a flipper tab because it is a fixed blade, and a very comfortable one at that, so you won't have to worry about that. But congratulations, you actually won. So go ahead and send me an email with your shipping information. Again, got to be at least 18. And number 2, please make sure that you're sending me a shipping address within the continental United States. But that's going to be pretty much it, guys. I promise I will be doing more giveaways. There's some really exciting stuff coming up that has a lot to do with giveaways and prizes and things that people can win. So like I said, if you are not subscribed, make sure and subscribe. And if you are subscribed, please make sure that bell is turned on so you guys get notified when I do stuff like this. Guys, that's pretty much it for today's drawing. If you, and even if you didn't win, if you enjoyed the video or at least entertained by it, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here because like I said, there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.